given question is root 2 into x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. Here what we have to find? X, because x is the variable. So we are using factorization method. Now root 2 into 5 root 2. We just multiply 5 root 2 into 2. We get 5 to root 2 into root 2. 2. 5 is that?
10.
So what are the factors of 10? 5 comma 2. So split the middle terms. Here 7x is there. So we write as 5 2. 5 plus 2?
7.
5 is the?
10.
Okay, it is satisfied, right?
Yes.
Okay. So root 2 into x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now I am taking root 2x, I am taking x common here. Root 2 plus 5, root 2x plus 5. Same value you will get here. Root 2x plus 5. So I am taking root 2 common equal to 0. So root 2 into root 2, 2. So root 2 into 5, 5 root 2. Now x plus root 2 one factor. So root 2x plus 5 another factor equal to 0. So first I am taking this one. X plus root 2 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus root 2. Same thing. Root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Root 2x equal to minus 5. Therefore x equal to minus 5 by root 2. So this is the required solution. Are you clear?